train is completely empty. Let's go. "15 minutes later, we've arrived at the train station. We didn't show it last time we were here. We came through here when we were coming from the train station. Look at it. One of the nicest train stations in the entire world.
We are in the train station and we have 2 trains. We'll see you there. We didn't realise we need our tickets printed, so Fionn is gone to print our tickets and I am just waiting here with all the bags. Hopefully he gets them printed soon.
It wouldn't be us if we weren't late or lost. Always a complication. Ciao, Bella. There are no seats left on the train, so we have the luxury of sitting on our suitcases. Of course, the nicest day since we've been here, and we're spending it on a train. Typical. Just arrived in Verona and we can't seem to find our train anywhere. Megan's upstairs with the bags and I'm trying to find our platform. Oh wait, okay, there it is. Venice, 141, 124, right. Alright, let's go get Megan.
You alright?
I hope all these clothes are worth it. Okay, it's number 3. There's no one on it. We got here with 10 minutes to spare, thank God. For once even. And unlike the other trains, this one is completely empty with the whole thing to ourselves. It's so creepy being on a train with no people, it just feels so wrong. There's just something weird about it. It's still better than the one we had before.
Intending to leave.
Doing our best not to touch our face when we're on the train, but it's a lot harder than I thought it was going to be. It's such a habit, just you know, it's tough. I think we got on the wrong train because we were at the platform in Verona. There were 2 Venice trains on either side and thought this was the right one, but we were meant to get to Venice at 2:30. I think we got on the wrong train. We thought we were in Venice. Turns out we are on the mainland. The train pass that we bought is the mainland, which is about a 2-hour walk from our hotel. I'm trying to figure out how to get to our hotel. Any idea? No. Megan's over there trying to sort out how we're going to get to our hotel from here. I think it's just there's loads of like ferry taxis. I didn't realize that like the entire place is water. I knew there was water, but I thought, you know, they might have like emergency roads or something for, I don't know, ambulance or police or something. So all the police and everything go by on the water. It's mad.
Boarding the water boat, so we will show you what it's like on the side. Thank you. Walking to our hotel now. All the streets are so pretty. When we were in New York, I really wanted to like just drop the bags and go. I feel the same here. I just want to get out and see Venice. It's so pretty.
This hotel is getting harder and harder to find. Anytime we take a left or a right turn, we end up flying across the map. Oh, we're getting there. We have to be close. Come on. Is this it? It says I'm here. Oh, this is it. Found it. Which one are we? Sweeney. It's us.
Okay.
Oh no.
Quaint.
Quaint is right.
Little bit small.
So that happens when you book 1 star.
We didn't book 1 star.
It's not what a Coda says. Oh, we have a window, kind of. I just said it in the video and I just realised how bad we sound. The room is actually fine and it does what we need.
Hotel room, which is quaint.
Quaint is it's not the word I'd use.
Yeah. We are going to go and explore and we will see you tomorrow.
Bye bye.
Hug me, brother! Come, come, come.
Oh no.
Yeah, record. Cut the first sentence. We need our, oh no. There he is down there. Where are we? Oh god. Okay, wait, sorry.
What is that? What? Oh my god, no, no, go away.
No.
Ciao, ciao.
I knew you'd laugh.
It's just because it's like this above your head.
Look, I'm Sweeney. You said like use.
Oh, Miss Sweeney.
Hey, leave it there. I want to take it on. Oh, Jesus. Lovely stuff. I won't say so.
Look, my big head takes up half the room.
Welcome to our little little is right.
Look, when we put our bags in, there's enough room to not walk and just jump from the bed.